Step 1, go to interclinical.com.au and print off the required forms. So one of them is going to be your patient detail form. The other one is going to be to show the hairdresser where you need your hair cut. And then the other one is going to be your little patient details envelope where you're going to put the hair sample in. So once you've printed off those forms, fill in the details, put in who your practitioner is at the bottom. I'm using Rick Fisher. Step 2 is to go to the hairdresser and give them this little instruction as to where to cut the hair, about 4 centimeters, as close to the scalp as possible, because that's the newest growth, which will show you the most accurate reading for what you've got with minerals and heavy metals. So step 2 at the hairdressers, you're getting your hair cut, you're showing them that. With the cutting of the hair, they can then put it into this, which you've already pre-printed for them. There's fold lines you have to fold to make that so that it stays. Put the sellotape over there, and then you're going to go step 3 to post it off so it's got the postal details on the forms. You're then, step 4, going to email them and say, I have posted it off, this is the tracking number, please can you set up a payment for me? I'm using Rick Fisher as my practitioner and I want profile 1. They will then send you a link where you can click and pay for it. The reason that I've done that is not the first step is because you can do that whilst it's on its way. So get your hair cut first with the forms, then send it off and then do the payment side of it. Then I'd contact Rick, step 5, and I'd say to Rick, I've got a sample on its way to your lab that you use in Australia, Interclinical. Please can I pay and organise for you to analyse that hair mineral analysis test that you do, and he will then send you the link for his payment page for you to collect or select which payment option you want to use, because he's got a few different options. Step 6 is to then have the report done by Rick and sent through to you via email. I didn't need to have a one-on-one with him, but I chose to have a little one-on-one with him to talk to him about it. But from my experience, the report is enough and it gives you the steps that you need to take to address the issues that have come up. Much love.